What if I told you that while millions of investors are chasing Nvidia, Microsoft, and the hottest AI stocks, one 114-year-old company is quietly making moves that could surprise Wall Street? This company isn't making headlines every day. It isn't the most talked about AI stock. Yet behind the scenes, it's signing billion-dollar enterprise deals, expanding its AI business, and positioning itself for the next phase of artificial intelligence. Could IBM be one of the most overlooked opportunities in today's market? Or is it simply another old tech company struggling to stay relevant? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind IBM stock. And by the end of this video, you might see this company in a completely different way. When most people think about artificial intelligence, names like Nvidia, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Google instantly come to mind. IBM rarely enters that conversation. For many investors, IBM is simply an old technology company, a business that had its best years decades ago. But here's what's interesting. While Wall Street was focused on the AI boom led by Nvidia, IBM quietly spent years rebuilding its business. Instead of competing directly in consumer AI, IBM chose a completely different path. And that strategy could be far more important than most investors realize. To understand why IBM is suddenly getting attention again, we need to go back. IBM wasn't always viewed as a slow-moving company. For decades, it was one of the most influential technology businesses in the world. It helped shape modern computing, enterprise software, and business infrastructure. But as technology evolved, faster-growing companies began dominating the market. Amazon became the king of cloud computing. Microsoft reinvented itself. Google expanded across multiple industries. Nvidia became the face of AI. Meanwhile, IBM slowly disappeared from many investors' watch lists. Its stock spent years underperforming compared to other technology giants. Many people believed IBM's growth story was over. But behind the scenes, the company wasn't standing still. Instead of chasing short-term trends, IBM began restructuring almost every part of its business. And that decision may finally be paying off. The question every investor is asking today: IBM is focusing on something much bigger than consumer AI chatbots. Its strategy revolves around enterprise artificial intelligence. That means helping governments, banks, hospitals, insurance companies, manufacturers, and Fortune 500 businesses use AI safely and efficiently. This market is worth hundreds of billions of dollars over the next decade. And IBM already has relationships with thousands of large organizations worldwide. That's a competitive advantage many newer AI companies simply don't have. But here's where the story becomes even more interesting. Because IBM isn't just betting on AI. It's combining AI with another rapidly growing business that could become one of its biggest strengths. And that's exactly what we'll uncover next. So, is IBM the next Nvidia? Probably not. Is IBM trying to become another Microsoft? Not exactly. IBM is following its own path. A path built around enterprise AI, hybrid cloud, cybersecurity, consulting, and long-term relationships with some of the world's largest organizations. That strategy may not generate overnight excitement, but if execution continues improving, IBM could quietly become one of the most interesting technology companies to watch in the years ahead. And sometimes, the biggest winners in the stock market are the companies almost nobody is talking about.